Hello and welcome. Have you ever thought, I want to speak English, but I don't have a teacher? Maybe you are busy. Maybe English classes are expensive. Or maybe you simply want to learn at your own pace. Here is the good news. You can learn English alone at home. Thousands of people around the world have become fluent by practicing every day from their own homes. You do not need a perfect classroom. You do not need expensive books. You only need a simple plan, patience, and daily practice. In this lesson, I will show you exactly how to improve your English by yourself. So relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. Part 1. Why learn English? English is one of the most useful languages in the world. People use English for work, travel, education, business, and making friends. If you understand English, you can watch movies without subtitles. You can read books and websites. You can get better job opportunities. You can travel more confidently. Most importantly, English gives you confidence. Remember this. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to improve a little every day. Small progress becomes big success. Part 2. Create a daily habit. Many people study English for one day and then stop. That is the biggest mistake. Learning English is like exercising. You become stronger by practicing regularly. Practice for just 30 to 60 minutes every day. Consistency is more important than studying for many hours only once a week. Create a simple routine. 10 minutes listening. 10 minutes reading. 10 minutes speaking. 10 minutes reviewing vocabulary. Repeat this every day. After a few months, you will notice real improvement. Part 3. Learn with listening. Listening is the first skill. Children learn their first language by listening. You can do the same. Listen to easy English stories. Listen to podcasts. Watch simple YouTube videos. Do not worry if you don't understand everything. Try to understand the main idea. Listen again. Every time you listen, your brain becomes stronger. Part 4. Read every day. Reading helps you learn grammar naturally. Choose easy books. Read graded readers. Read short news articles. Read children's books. Do not translate every word. Guess the meaning from the sentence. Keep reading. Soon your vocabulary will grow naturally. Part 5. Speak even when you are alone. Many people think, I have nobody to practice with. That is not true. You can speak to yourself. Describe your room. Describe your day. Talk while cooking. Talk while walking. For example, I am making breakfast. I am drinking coffee. Today I feel happy. This simple habit improves speaking confidence. Part 6. Learn new vocabulary. Don't memorize hundreds of words in one day. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Write each word. Write its meaning. Write one example sentence. Then say it aloud. Review your words every week. Repetition is the secret. Part 7. Improve pronunciation. Good pronunciation helps people understand you. Listen carefully. Repeat exactly. Copy the speaker's rhythm. Copy the pronunciation. Do not worry about having an accent. Focus on speaking clearly. Practice difficult sounds slowly. Then increase your speed. Part 8. Learn grammar naturally. Grammar is important, but don't study grammar all day. Instead, notice grammar while reading and listening. For example, I go. He goes. I am working. They are working. See patterns. Practice them. Soon grammar becomes natural. Part 9. Think in English. Many learners translate every sentence. That makes speaking slow. Instead, start thinking directly in English. Look around. Name everything. Chair. Window. Phone. Bottle. Then make simple sentences. This is my chair. The window is open. My phone is charging. Little by little, your brain starts thinking in English. Part 10, keep a daily journal. Every night, write 5 simple sentences. Today I woke up early. I studied English. I cooked dinner. I watched a movie. I felt tired. Writing helps improve grammar, vocabulary, and confidence. Part 11, learn from mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Every fluent speaker once made mistakes. Don't feel embarrassed. Every mistake teaches you something new. The only real mistake is giving up. Part 12, stay motivated. Sometimes you will feel tired. Sometimes progress feels slow. That is normal. Remember why you started. Imagine speaking English confidently. Imagine traveling. Imagine getting your dream job. Keep going. Your future self will thank you. Part 13, practice conversation. Let's practice. Question. What is your name? Answer. My name is David. Question. Where are you from? Answer. I am from Bangladesh. Question. What do you do? Answer. I am a student. Question. What are your hobbies? Answer. I enjoy reading books and learning English. Practice these questions every day. Part 14, shadowing practice. Listen. Repeat. Copy everything. I believe I can improve. Repeat. I practice every day. Repeat. Learning English is fun. Repeat. I never give up. Repeat. I am becoming more confident. Repeat again. Shadowing is one of the fastest ways to improve speaking. Part 15, final motivation. Learning English is not about talent. It is about consistency. Every small step matters. Every page you read matters. Every sentence you speak matters. Every minute you practice matters. 1 year from now, you will be surprised by your progress if you continue practicing every day. Believe in yourself. Stay curious. Stay patient. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep improving. One day, you will realize that English is no longer difficult. It has become part of your life. Thank you for joining this lesson. If you enjoyed learning with me, keep practicing every day. Remember, practice, patience, progress. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.